So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the channel. My name is Stephanie if you are new here, and if you are not and you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm super excited, hecka tired, and I will explain to you why. But we do have the Oden's mystery box. It is the large one, and I am excited to get into this, guys. If you don't know about this brand and you want to find out more about the brand, the products that are in this box, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, oh my gosh, I just want to say thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. And again, if you're returning, guys, thank you so much for putting up with me. So if you are new here, this is a real life beauty channel, and by that I mean that, you know, I don't always get things perfect. What is perfect anyway? Like, really, there's no perfect in my life, and I'm okay with that. As long as I like what I see. I do try to get better at applying makeup because I'm not a makeup artist. I am a makeup lover, and what I do is I like to create art through makeup. And that means, you know, seeing the transformation from before to after and all the happiness that comes in between. You know, life is stressful enough. We do not need anything to do with beauty to be stressful. It just shouldn't happen. So over here, we do things in a very relaxed, very chill way. I joke, I laugh, I approach beauty from the lighter side. On occasion, you will hear me talk about mental health, but I do take that seriously. If any of this sounds like something you can get into, please, by all means, hit this button over here and join the family. I do not like the S word. That is YouTube's term. My term is come on board, be part of the family. I would love to have you. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up, and as always, keep your bell on, guys, because my schedule's been a little wonky, and you really want to know when the videos go up because I have a lot of giveaways. The winners are always announced in any random video. I will come on and say, hey, the winner to this giveaway is so-and-so, and the name will pop up on the screen. So you want to know when those videos are uploading. The girl was up till 4 a.m. last night filming. Now, I had my alarm set for 9 o'clock to get up and start editing, okay? But at, I think it was 7:45, I got the special ring that my mailman does for me every time he drops a package. He will ring my doorbell 3 times. Like, who does that? He is such a great mail carrier. He really is. So I didn't do a lot of makeup because, oh my gosh, first of all, it's way early right now. I feel like I just took it off. So I did. I spot corrected. I got the bags out, you know, because I'm super tired and it's super early. And I just threw some bronzer in my crease because we don't know what's in this box, and I may perhaps want to try something on, you know? And if not, this is what we're stuck with. Real life beauty over here. Trust me, it's very important. So, if you don't know about Odenseye Cosmetics, they are a Swedish brand. They are based out of Sweden, and it's an indie brand. I think this is an anniversary celebration type thing for them being a brand for 4 years. Not sure, don't quote me on that. I will leave all their information down below. I do know that they're themed after Norse mythology. Being Sweden, that makes sense. So look at the packaging, guys. It's very, very cute. You have a lot of detail. Now, this is their Easter mystery box. It is their large mystery box, okay? I have not seen anybody unbox this. I do know that some creators were sent the small one in PR, and they did open that. It seemed like each one was different, so I'm hoping that this one is as well. So there's some variation. That's always good. I mean, I really do love their packaging, and you will see when I open the box why it is so very, very good. Now, it is intact. I have not cracked it. We are going to open this together. If I can get it open. Girl, so I need it. Listen, I barely drank my coffee. There's probably half a cup still left. So guys, if for some reason this video is all over the place, let me apologize in advance. But again, real life beauty, you know, it is what it is. Okay, there you go. I did open it. Very easy tab to pull. I'm excited. Whoa, the cost of this box was $70, but you could use a code. Any discount code would work on it, and I did get a discount, and it is free shipping. So I believe it brought the price down to $60 or something, so not bad, and you are guaranteed a value of 170 US dollars. I will leave it up here. It's the Swedish equivalent, and I will Google it and find out for you. And you are guaranteed no less than 8 products, okay? I apologize, guys. I didn't realize the fan was on. It is super hot already. Let's open her up, and here she is. There you go. Everything is very nicely bubble wrapped. So I did pull back the bubble wrap, and this is what I see. Now, really, this is what I mean. Real Life Beauty. I think I'll leave that in. Wow. They did say if you were to buy more than one box that they would try their best to not give you duplicate products, but they couldn't guarantee it. So that means there's some variation, and that is awesome. So, okay, the first thing I see is the odenseye color switch. Guys, okay, just check out the packaging. Okay, it is a color switch. I buy my color switches from the Dollar Tree, and I, like, switch out the spongy thing and put in, like, something from perhaps Ipsy, you know, the foam. Or when BoxyCharm used to have it, I have a bunch of foam that's left around. And I cut it to fit. But this one is very cute. It has a little heart in the middle. So there's that. And it's a very soft one. The reason I switched the ones out at the Dollar Tree, because first of all, they're $1. And the Brillo is very hard and it's very rough on your brushes. This is very nice though. But look at the packaging, guys. Look. It's so pretty. I mean, it really is. Now, I believe they did a collab not too long back with Angela Nyquist. That palette, unfortunately, will not be one. They do tell you that on the website. But they did have a bundle over there. I'm not sure if it's still there. I will check and edit it in here. All right, so we are digging in again. And we do have here... Oh, it's very nice. Everything is shrink wrapped. I may have to pause for a moment. The next video that you see go up after this one will be the milestone giveaway, and I will be announcing a bunch of winners in that, as well as starting yet another giveaway, okay? This is Alva Cream Lip Stain. Okay, so I have heard about their lip stains. I don't believe that I've tried it. Nope, I don't think so. Some of this may be in the sale that's coming up, so you may want to pay attention if there's something you have your eye on and you see it, you know, we're going to do that live, and I did speak about that. So this is in the shade Miss Kana. I don't know how to say that, but there it is right there, okay? So that is the shade. The packaging is super pretty, guys. Look at it. It's very, very pretty. As is the box on there. I mean, look at the detail. They do have a lot of detail on their packaging. It's very, very pretty. This is the Alva odenseye. Alva is one of their collections. I do remember that is like a lot of products are based off Alva, Alva 2. And again, their themes for just about all their products are Norse mythology, Norse gods, etc. And there's some meaning behind a lot of their packaging and their products. So very, very cool. I'm supposed to get 8 products. So there are 2 of them. I gotta make room. Hold on, guys. This is what I mean about Real Life Beauty. Things are not always perfect. At least I try anyway. It is about me being myself, guys. And that's what I promote. Positivity. Loving what you see when you look in the mirror. It doesn't matter what other people think. It's what you think. That counts, okay? This is... Oh, more shrink wrap. I wanted to try some of this on, and I don't know if I can because of the length of the video. So, after much struggle, I did rip the packaging. I apologize. So, this is the Alva odenseye Kiss of a Fairy lipstick. That is what is here. I don't know if you can see on that packaging. I'm trying to hide my head. Of course, I did rip it, and this is in the shade S102 Love Jasmine. So here's the component that it is in. It's very pretty, and it's very weighted, okay? The cover is not magnetic. However, look at the detail, guys. So, so pretty. Let me put my arm. I can't. Let's do it like this, okay? There you have that. It's looking more red on camera, like more reddish brown than it really is. It's a very nice nude. I think I did try one of their lipstick, their bullet lipsticks, and they are very good, if I remember correctly. So, wow, we need to pick up the pace. I'm gonna be here forever. Okay, so now I don't see anything but looks like palettes. Now, oh no, wait, there's one more thing in here. Let's see. I don't see anything else. Nope, we have one more, I think, lipstick. Yes, this is, again, Kiss of a Fairy lipstick in the shade S103 Brown Rose. Look at the detail on the packaging. Very, very pretty. I mean, really pretty. Again, same component as the last one, and this is the shade. This is Brown Rose. Okay, so let's try. There's plastic on me everywhere. Okay, so now we get to the fun stuff. I mean, even though that was very nice. And this... It has a shrink wrap on it too. Oh my gosh. Hold please. The Alva 2 Mini Sky Palette. I do believe I have this. Now, I haven't done anything on camera with those palettes. Matter of fact, I think I just created like 1 or 2 looks when I first got it, just to test it out. Guys, I will tell you, their formula is amazing. Okay, yes, I do have this palette. Okay, so here's the color story. It does come with a little mirror right here. I'm going to leave the protector on because I do have this palette and I don't need a second. So there you have it, okay? Very, very pretty color story. You have your neutrals right here, and then you even have pops of color in the inner corner. Their formula is amazing. Their shimmers are to die for, and their mattes blend like a dream. Not kidding. All of the ones that I have tried. So again, I do have this palette, and I can attest to the fact that it is a very good palette, and it works wonderfully, okay? And I'm not a makeup artist, so if I can make it work, then that's got to say something, all right? So we do have another palette here, all nicely bubble wrapped. So this is the Alva 2 highlight palette. Now I very well may have this as well. I will have to check my stash and see. But guys, check out the packaging. Just so very pretty. The attention to detail on their packaging is stunning. It really, really is. Their Norse mythology is, yeah. It's salamander. These are the shades. I will go ahead and open it up. And again, this looks like the carton. You do have a mirror and a protector. Let's get that out. Oh, it's stuck on there. That's cool. Oh, very pretty. I do think I have this. I don't know. I have to check. But those are highlighters. And again, guys, you can absolutely use these as eyeshadows because they are very, very pretty. Some of their formulas are a little more glittery than others. So if that is not your cup of tea, then, you know, you may want to avoid those particular shadows. But they do give you a nice mix. And I do like that. I don't know if it's this one I have. I do have a 4-pan highlighter palette. I have to check and see if this is the one. I should have brought those products out. I apologize. Okay. This is the Salamain highlighter palette. This is a second highlighter palette. And again, I'm not a big highlighter girl, but I will use them to enhance a look on my eyes, inner corner, brow bone, etc. And every now and then, I'll pop some highlighter on, depending on the look that I have going on and how feisty I feel. You know. Very pretty, again, packaging. Look at the packaging. So, so beautiful. And on the back, you do have this, okay? These are the names of the highlighting shades. And then when you pull it off, it looks like the sheath. Okay, it does have a cover and, of course, a mirror. Now, this is, I want to say, a more neutral highlighting palette, which, you know, if I were to use highlighter, I probably would get more use out of this. Very, very pretty. It's very good for all skin tones. Very inclusive. I like that. And then we have this one. And this is the last product in the box. And again, the value should equal 170 US dollars. I will check that and put the total in here somewhere. The next thing we have is this, but you can't really see anything because of the shrink wrap. So this is the Odenseye Alva 2 eyeshadow palette. I think I have this one too, guys. That's the chance you take. So there's the packaging. Very, very pretty. I have to look at the color story to see if this is one that I own. I don't have very many things. Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember if I have this. I have to pull out my box. I have a box with all their stuff in it and see if I have this palette. Okay, so there are the colors. Very appropriate for spring. I want to say this is an Easter box, so I don't know what I was thinking about getting a neutral palette, but there you have it. Oh, they're very pretty. And I'm telling you, these, I don't know if these are glitter. I do know that they did have some glitter in their palettes, but people were like complaining about it, I think, and they moving forward, they decided not to include them, and I think that was a very wise choice. But anyway, that's just my personal opinion. Usually when I use glitter, guys, it's the glitter I can apply myself. I have more control over it. So there you have it. That's a very pretty palette. Okay, so let's recap. We have the Odenseye Alva 2 eyeshadow palette. Then we have the Alva 2 highlighter palette, which actually kind of goes with this, I would say. Then we have the Salomon's highlighter palette. So we got 2 highlighter palettes. I would have rather seen 2 eyeshadow palettes, honestly, because these are quite pricey as far as highlighters go, but you do get 4 of them. So, you know, that's just the only thing I think I would have switched. And then we do have another mini. This is what their mini eyeshadow palettes are. And this is the Alva 2, okay? And this is the mini Sky palette. I do believe they have a forest palette. I'm not sure, don't quote me. But there's that. And then we do have a lip stain, okay, in this shade right here. Miss Canna, okay, that's the color there. And then we do have 2 cream lipsticks right here. Then we have the color switch. Do I think it's worth the $70? Well, I didn't pay $70. It was free shipping. The code I had, I think, was for 15% off, I believe. Don't quote me. I don't remember exactly. But I will put the cost of what I paid versus what the cost is up here somewhere. That is probably about the only editing I will do, except for cutting things out. Now, I will tell you that, unfortunately, this is no longer available. It was only for 3 days, but at least you get a chance to see what could be in a mystery box, how they do it, you know, what they include. So there you have it, guys. That is the odenseye mystery box for Easter. It is odenseye Cosmetics. I think it's a good box. It's a really good way to jump into the brand. Now, they did have a smaller version. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of time, but if you want to see me create a look with some of these products in here, perhaps there's a few items in here that I do have already, so I can absolutely use those. I've already used them. I can do a look on camera or just show you how the shimmers look because, guys, they are really, really good. I have to say, I'm very impressed with their formula, all right? Both shimmer and their mattes. You know, the lipsticks, I'm not a great big bullet lipstick person, but, you know, hey, I do like that brown, and I probably get some use out of that with maybe lightening up the center, and then the lip stain. Very interested in trying this out. This is a liquid lip stain-ish type thing. I've heard it's very comfortable on the lips per Annette's Makeup Corner, and that is where I discovered this brand, over on Annette's Makeup Corner. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it oh so much. Please remember that the next video going up will be the milestone giveaway with all Natasha Denona products. I will tell you that there are 4 separate color stories as far as eyeshadows are concerned. There's just a lot, and then of course tools, and wow, yeah, there's a lot, guys. So you do not want to miss that. I will be editing that video while you are hopefully watching this one, and that will be going up as soon as it's done. It could be the middle of the night, guys. I don't normally do that, but I really want to get that up. There are 2 winners I need to announce in that. Look out for that video. I also have 2 active giveaways going on right now. Okay, I have 2 Ice Cream Beauty for March and April. The March will end May 2nd, and the April will end when I open May's subscription, okay? Check out my playlist with giveaways in it, and you can always usually find one. I just want to say, if you have not yet joined the family, guys, I would love to have you. It's a cool place to hang out. We just chill. We do. It's just a very laid back, relaxed atmosphere. You know, I just am who I am, and I don't apologize, and I don't feel anyone should ever have to apologize for who they are. Okay, like always, if you are going through something, you know, you have something weighing heavy on your mind, please talk about it with someone, whether it be a counselor, a loved one, a friend, or even a stranger. And if you don't have anybody to talk to or you don't feel comfortable, hell, hit me up. I am always available, and I will make time for you. Also, if someone approaches you and says, hey, do you have a minute? You know, I really would like to talk. Please say yes, because you could absolutely help them just by letting them vent, letting them dump whatever it is, letting them bring it to the surface, and you being their sounding board. You know, it can help somebody immensely. Also, in this crazy mix-up world we live in, oh my gosh, please, guys, to all my loved ones across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. When you want something to, like, go quickly, it never does. That is real life beauty, okay?